My dear students, in computerized accounting for BCom Computers and Generals and Applications in 5th semester, we have 5 units. The second unit is known as stock keeping units. This includes how to create inventory masters. Inventory masters are nothing but those related to inventory, like creation of stock groups, creation of stock items, units of measures, and other inventory vouchers. Other inventory vouchers in the sense any voucher in relation to inventory, like a purchase voucher. Purchases always in units in stock, then sales voucher, debit note, credit note, purchase order, and all these. Purchase order, sales order, debit note, credit note, stock balance report, these are all said to be inventory reports. My dear students, you should have a clear idea on unit number 2. Here in short, these are the important questions. Inventory masters in Tally ERP9. So how to activate means from main menu, if you select inventory info, a screen will display that is having stock group creation, stock item creation, stock categories, go downs, and inventory vouchers and all. That is known as activating inventory masters in Tally ERP9. Unit of measure, you know, my dear students, how to measure the units quantities. So there are two kinds of unit of measures, my dear students, like simple and compound. And how to delete a stock group means when you create a stock group, just go to alt stock groups, there select the group which you want to delete, then press alt plus D so that it will be deleted permanently. Stock category, the further classification of the stock items on the basis of the price or on the basis of the quality or whatever it may be, that is known as stock category. Then stock reports, like stock aging report, and different kinds of quantities in different go downs, purchase order reports, sales order reports, stock aging report in the sense since how many days your stock is there in your go down, like this. So these are all important in short. ఇవి కాకుండా ఏది వచ్చినా దీని మీద మీకు ఐడియా ఉండాలమ్మా, మీరు అటెంప్ట్ చేయాల్సిందే దాని మీద. ఎస్. దెన్ లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్, హౌ టు క్రియేట్ ఆల్ట్ అండ్ డిలీట్ స్టాక్ ఐటమ్స్ ఇన్ టాలీ. ఒక్కోసారి స్టాక్ ఐటమ్స్ వస్తుందమ్మా, ఒక్కోసారి స్టాక్ గ్రూప్స్ రావచ్చు. మీరు అందరూ ఒకటే గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి ఫైనల్ ఇయర్ పిల్లలు. దెర్ ఆర్ టూ కైండ్స్ అమ్మా, సింగిల్ అండ్ మల్టిపుల్. మెయిన్ మెను ఇట్లా రాసుకుంటూ వచ్చేయాలమ్మా. ఇన్వెంటరీ ఇన్ఫో, దేర్ సెలెక్ట్ like stock group and create, single or multiple. Alt means if you want to make any changes, select the alt option. If you want to delete, as I said, you select the group and press alt plus D so that it will be deleted. Explain the steps involved in go down creation. My dear student, there are two kinds of go downs, single or multiple. The steps will be the same. Explain about debit note and credit note, sales order and purchase order. These four are said to be inventory reports or stock reports. So debit note and credit note are prepared at the time of purchases returns and sales returns, my dear students. My dear students, in unit number 2, these are the questions which are repeatedly asked in previous papers also. And unit number 3, my dear students, don't worry too much. The name of the unit is recording day-to-day transactions in Tally ERP9. So what is accounting cycle? Accounting cycle begins with a transaction. What is a transaction? Any economic activity which is recorded in the books and which is affecting the financial position of the company. అంతే కదమ్మా, ఏ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ అయినా వస్తే మనకు మనీ రావాలి, లేకపోతే మనం మనీ పే చేయాలి. సో లైక్ దట్ ఎనీ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ విచ్ ఎఫెక్ట్ ద ఫైనాన్షియల్ పొజిషన్. ఓకే, సో in accounting cycle, first the transaction, it will be recorded into journal, day book, then it will be posted into ledger, trial balance and final accounts. But manually when you are doing, you have to do all those manually, but here the system will do everything. When you record the transaction, it is going to enter. My dear students, you keep in mind, number of times I am saying, what is a source document? It is a evidence that one ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ వాజ్ హ్యాపెండ్. అంటే ఏదైనా మనం పేమెంట్ చేసినా, ఏదైనా రిసీట్ చేసినా, బిల్స్ ఉంటాయి చూడండి, ఆ బిల్స్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ పేయింగ్ ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ బిల్, దట్ ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ బిల్ ఈజ్ ఏ సోర్స్ డాక్యుమెంట్. యూ కెన్ మేక్ ఏ పేమెంట్ వోచర్. లైక్ వైజ్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ వీ మేక్ వోచర్స్. దెన్ మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, హౌ టు రికార్డ్ డే టు డే ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్? ఫర్ దిస్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్, ఫస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు క్రియేట్ ledgers which are required on the basis of the transactions under single or multiple. Then go to main menu, then select accounting vouchers by using the function keys like F4 for contra entry, F5 for payment, F6 for receipts, F7 for journals, F8 for sales, F9 for purchases, like this. Then in short, there is a choice of getting a question like what do you mean by accounting cycle, what is the optional voucher, and what is a source document in Tally. My dear students, have some idea, get one material and do prepare well. Start preparing now only. These 2 units are very easy. And one more thing, in computer accounting, my dear students, all the 5 units are easy. In unit number 1, this that is about what is the meaning of computer accounting, what are the advantages of computer accounting, all we are going to learn. Then ERP and ledger creation and group creation are part of unit number 1. Have idea, మీరు ఏం చదువుతున్నారో మీకు ఐడియా ఉండాలమ్మా. సో for any semester, this will be a journey of 3 or 4 months. సో మనం టాలీలో ఏం చేస్తారంటే అమ్మా, ఎవ్రీ లెక్చరర్ విల్ గివ్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఫర్ ప్రాక్టికల్స్, దాంతోపాటు థియరీ కూడా నడుస్తుంటుందమ్మా. దట్ బ్యాలెన్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు మేడ్. డోంట్ వరీ టూ మచ్, వెరీ గుడ్ మెటీరియల్స్ ఆర్ అవైలబుల్, very very important and repeated questions we are giving. Start preparing, take the papers. The biggest advantage is what you see, you are going to write. Yes, F4 you know, contra entry, you have seen. Cash, for example, cash paid into bank. Bank is the receiver, bank account data to cash. The system will ask, account, cash. Which account is to be debited? Bank, like that. You can give examples and you can go on writing, my dear students. Then some of the students have a doubt. Sir, do we have to draw the diagrams? Yes, my dear students, few at least. When you are in unit number 2, draw the screen of inventory masters. When you are in unit number 3, you draw accounting vouchers like F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9. So if you feel difficult, leave it. But unit number 3 particularly I am saying, my dear students, it's a very user friendly, it's a very simple topics. Like what is a business transaction? అసలు బిజినెస్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ అంటే ఏంటమ్మా? ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఎకనామిక్ యాక్టివిటీ విచ్ ఈజ్ ఎఫెక్టింగ్ ద ఫైనాన్షియల్ పొజిషన్. My dear students, make use of these important questions. Repeatedly I am saying, don't worry too much. Hope at this time you have some material in your hands. You prepare these questions. Yeah. In my next video I am also uploading the repeatedly asked questions which are given in previous question papers. Hope my dear student this is clear. Thank you for your extending cooperation particularly. God bless you all. God bless you all.